For today's video is about this yummy recipe I created in my kitchen. This is adobong kangkong. Yes, one of my kids said something that he had enough eating from our fridge, and so he wants something fresh. And so I went and collect all this swamp cabbages, tops from my yard, and chop them into smaller pieces. Then saute them with garlic, onion, soy sauce, salt, and some chicken in it. And tada! One yummy kangkong adobo in the heart of my kitchen. And you can eat this with rice, lots of rice. Thanks for watching. Bye.